What you do after uploading your videos could silently be killing your video views and also affecting your YouTube growth. I mean, there are a lot of silent mistakes that a lot of content creators make. Even if it's just one of these silent mistakes, it's going to affect your video views and also going to affect your YouTube growth for life. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the silent mistakes you must not do after uploading your videos. The last one is the worst silent killer. I advise you stay with me to the end of this video because facing this could change your channel forever. If you feel this is a video you like to watch, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel. First thing you should never do after uploading your videos is deleting your videos. Now, a lot of content creators delete their YouTube videos for different reasons. Possible because of you post your videos today and they are stuck in 10 views, the next day 10 views, the next day 10 views, and you go ahead and delete that video. Deleting that video could affect your channel growth and also put your channel under shadow ban. Let me show you, for example, this video that I got up to 1.4K views, right? The first day I uploaded this video, I was having just 20 views on a whole 24 hours. But thank God that I didn't delete the video, because after creating video and doing editing, it can be frustrating. At the end of the day, you are not getting views, and maybe you know that you are supposed to get up to more than these views for 24 hours. You don't used to be stuck in that 20 views. So I just left the video there. The next day, I woke up and I opened my YouTube studio and I saw 100 and something views. That was like, wow, okay. The next day, I saw 600 and something views. That is how it was going up until it got to 1.4 views. What I'm saying is that don't delete your video. Even if that video is not getting the views that you want, just leave it there, because you don't even know the video that is going to perform well. Please stop deleting videos. It's affecting your YouTube channel growth. So the second on our list is, I've been talking about this several times on most of my videos. If you are old subscribers, you know that I've talked about this several times on most of my videos. Is about sharing of YouTube link. Now, a lot of YouTube content creators, after uploading their videos, they'll go ahead and start sharing their YouTube link. You are sharing your YouTube link to people that are not interested in your video. They won't even come to watch your videos. Now, for example, in YouTube, we have what we call channel history, right? And that channel history is all about what that particular person love watching the most. Like, some persons love watching football, music. If you love watching footballs, music, entertainment and all that, is going to be under your channel history, and that is where YouTube is going to know your right audience to push your video to, right? And the people YouTube are going to push your video to is the people that are interested in YouTube growth, people that are interested in growing their channel, what they've watched so far on the channel history. That is who YouTube is going to push your video to. Now, you that don't know about this, maybe I'm interested in watching football, and at the end of the day, you share your link to me. I'm not going to watch that video because I'm not interested in YouTube growth. You understand? And once I didn't come to watch that video, I've automatically send a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm. It's going to affect the views, and once that signal has been sent to YouTube algorithm, YouTube is not going to push that video further. They will just think maybe people are not interested in this video, or maybe this content is not of value, is not a good content, whereas it's a good content. So just give YouTube the time for them to know who they are going to push that video to. And even if you want to share your link, you can just wait for a whole full day, 24 hours before sharing your link, and make sure you share your link to people that are interested. Now, I'm not talking about maybe my viewers watching this video, they are not going to share this link. No, those people watching my video right now, they are going to share link to people that, maybe to a friend that they know that they are interested in YouTube growth, they are interested in growing their channel. That is who they are going to share my video to. So please, if you know that you are sharing your video link after uploading your video, just stop it, because it's affecting your video views and it's affecting your YouTube channel growth. The third on our list is, which a lot of YouTube content creators are doing, and is affecting their views without them even knowing. Like, I've noticed it in one of my friends' channel. Before I will come back, she has changed her thumbnail. she has changed her title, and that views will still be stuck in that views. It was something that she kept on doing until I told her that stop changing your thumbnail. The third on our list is changing thumbnail and title. Stop changing your thumbnail and title, especially when you are doing it all the time. It's sending a bad signal to the YouTube algorithm. It will make them feel that this video is spam, like is not a video for them to share out there. If the video is not good, because why will you be changing your thumbnail and your title? So what you just need to do is that before you upload your video, make sure you focus on your title. Make sure you create a catchy title that is going to make the audience to want to click on that video to know what the video is all about. And make sure you create a unique thumbnail. Optimize your thumbnail. The thumbnail is just like advertising your business. Yes, so you have to make that thumbnail to stand out. You have to make it very, very unique. Choose your color wisely. Know what to put on that thumbnail. Try and create a thumbnail that is clickable to avoid you changing your thumbnail and your title all the time, because it's going to put your channel under shadow ban and it's going to get your channel flagged. So you have to avoid silent mistakes if you want your YouTube channel to grow very well. So if you feel this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.